right there. It's deeper. Oh. All right, we're gonna do something today. We're gonna install this new Carven R series. Can you get it out, Caitlin? Okay, show it around. So we got two of them, and right now the car is muffler deleted. The rear resonator is still on, and it's got a 5-inch exhaust tip. So we got this Carven R series mufflers, and we're gonna use it to replace the rear resonator. So this is the last time you'll hear this muffler deleted with the stock rear resonator still on. All right, you can put it away, Caitlin. Thank you. All right, so here's the remote start, and this is cold start. So this car has been started overnight with the muffler delete, rear resonator still on, and a 5-inch tip. 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat widebody. Headphone users, warning. So we're here at my favorite muffler shop, and we're gonna get this done. The rear resonator is replaced with the Carven Type R mufflers. So we'll see how it sounds. You know how it sounds right now. We'll see how it sounds. More. All right, we're here at Campo's getting this muffler, Carven R mufflers installed. We'll see how it sounds. This is my favorite muffler shop here in Peoria. I'll put the information in the description box if you want to come here and have your mufflers worked on, installed. They've worked on all my cars, the Jeep SRT, the Durango, the SCATPACK, now the Hellcat, and they do a good job at reasonable prices. So, owner's awesome, the guys here are awesome. So I'm excited to hear what it's going to sound like. So it's right now being on the lift right there. You can see, barely got on the lift because it's a little low, as you know. EIBACH spring installed on it. So wait for the before and after video here of the sounds of the muffler. All right, that's the name of the shop. Here's how to contact them, but I put this information in the link below. There it is on the lift. Yeah, this one's, they're about the same length. Yeah, this should work. There you go. That's why you bring it to a really good muffler shop, because they really do a good job. It's a bit short, but they added a little bit of that. Well, 5 inches of that little muffler tube. Now it's time to weld it on. Excited to hear how it sounds. So this is how it looks like. Catalytic converter still on both sides, and then we have an X pipe right there. This is all stock, and then it's muffler deleted. right there. Straight pipe all the way to those Carven tips, Carven Type R, straight through there. So curious to find out. Curious to find out how it's gonna sound. Super excited. Yep, from the converted straight pipe, muffler removed, deleted. We're going to this Carven mufflers here on the back with a 5-inch exhaust tip right here. It's all done. Okay, let's hear it. Ooh, right there, it's deeper. Oh, wow. Wow. That is loud. Carven R's. You'll get yourself one. Link in the description. As per usual. I like the sound. It's way deeper. So much deeper tone than before. Well, I'll attach a before sound video here so you guys can tell the difference, but right now I can already tell the difference of how deeper the tone is. Curious to find out what is it like sounding inside. I like it. Alright, the Carven R's are installed. The rear resonators are gone. So it's basically straight pipe all the way to Carven rears and a 5-inch tip in the end. So you heard the exterior, it's loud. Now you're gonna hear the exterior sound, and let's make it rip. From the sounds of it, it's a deep tone than the stock, which I like. That's kind of what I was looking for. Deeper tone, so it's more muscly, and it has removed the raspiness of the muffler delete. So the two things I wanted to achieve in this project was to remove the raspiness and make it a deeper tone, which is achieved. And this Carven R tips are $100 each, and I got a discount when they were on sale in April, which is awesome. I linked the product in the description below so you can order it for yourself. Hopefully there's still a discount to it, but so far I like the way it sounds, although my ears are still ringing from that rev that the welding guy did. It's destroyed my eardrums. So I can only imagine how loud it is outside right now, because it's loud, as you can hear. Hopefully the phone picked it up. Probably best to watch this on TV or with headphones, just so you can hear the deeper tones. Sometimes the bass tones you don't hear. So this is a cool little project, not too expensive. I didn't want to spend money on a Borla, and it sounds deep. Now I can hear the exhaust as loud as the supercharger whine, and it's a deeper tone, so it's not annoying. So hope you like this video. Watch for the next video. Well, I'll do a before and after, and click that like button. It will help the channel. Subscribe and share for those who are looking into a project like this. It's well worth it. It's not very expensive. I paid $160 to get it installed at Campos. So all in all, it's you know, what's that? $360 for this. If you bought a Borla for deeper sound, this is better value to achieve what you wanted to achieve. You can hear that right now. It's got a deep sound. So I like it. Click that like button. See you next time. Take care.